Hey, thanks for watching. Welcome to another episode of the FOGO Life. Today I have a savory treat for you. We're going to make dessert on the grill. Cinnamon and sugar coated pineapple directly grilled on the grill. Let's do it. Hey guys, dessert on the grill is something that not everybody has tried. But just like meats and vegetables, the charcoal can really pop the flavors of your dessert. When I was traveling in Central America, somebody was barbecuing for me and they served this like pineapple, grilled pineapple as a dessert. And they sprinkled cinnamon on sugar on it. And let me tell you what, the flavors really popped. I really loved it. And so I wanted to show you guys how to do it. To pick a ripe pineapple, they told me you have to be able to pull out one of these top leaves just like that, just like effortlessly, it will pop right out. You see? So this is how you know you have a ripe pineapple. Well, let me show you how to do this amazing pineapple and you're going to love it. Let's go.
There's an easier way to cut a pineapple than cutting off the skin and then cutting it into pieces. Start by cutting it into halves, quarters, and then eighths, and then individually cut out the core and use your knife to slide easily across the inside of the skin, cutting off the right amount. There are many ways how you could make this rub. Personally, I like to keep things simple. I used 4 tablespoons of fine sugar and 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder, mixed it up and sprinkled it over the pineapple. Depending on what you like, you could use less cinnamon or maybe even cut out the sugar and just sprinkle a bit of cinnamon on the pineapple. It's really up to you. Try out what you like best. You really don't have to use the wooden sticks, but if you do, I have 2 words of advice. Let them soak in water for a while before you use them, and let them hang over the edge of the grill so they don't burn. I grilled the pineapple slices about 4 to 5 minutes on each side over medium heat. If your grill is hotter, turn them faster. You just want to get a little bit of char, a little bit of flavor, but you don't really want to cook them or even burn them.
Wow guys, this looks and smells amazing. It's like in a candy factory. Look at this caramelized sugar. It's absolutely amazing. And that's also how it smells. It's just crazy. Let me get it off here before it burns. I really don't want it to get too charred. You see, we just got a little bit of char on it. Just the right amount for perfect taste, basically. Just to get that flavor from the grill. See, look at this. Just a little bit of charring. So, you know, you can actually prepare those pineapples in advance before your dinner, let's say, and just let it sit in your fridge. You know, sprinkle the sugar and the cinnamon on top, and then it's ready for you to grill after your dinner. It takes only about like 10 minutes or so. You know, that way you don't have to worry about it. And this is so much better fresh off the grill, you know, hot and freshly grilled. Let's try it out. I hope it's not too hot. Looks amazing, smells amazing. Let's see. Wow, it's really good. The secret here really is you don't want to cook the pineapple, right? It's a fruit. It doesn't need any cooking. All you want to do is get a little bit of charring, a little bit of that grill flavor and that charring from the charcoal on the outside of your pineapple, just for that little extra flavor. And, you know, without cooking it completely. But it's perfect. Look, turned out really good. It's sweet. It's tangy. It's a little bit sour. It's great. Awesome dessert. Well, guys, I hope you try it out at home. I really want to see your comments below, how you liked it. And, you know, if you liked the episode, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. See you next week.